Hi friends, this is Tanisha and welcome to my channel Dian's Paradise, and I hope all are staying safe and doing good. Today I'm not come up with a recipe video but a vlog. Right now I'm in Kerala and in home quarantine for 28 days, and today is day 15th of our home quarantine. So I thought to share with you all how we are spending our quarantine time here. For those who don't know or who have joined recently my channel, let me tell you, I stay in Chennai, and due to this pandemic, me and my husband recently came to Kerala, to our hometown. According to the Kerala Health Department, those returning to Kerala from other states or abroad to be quarantined for 28 days, which includes 14 days of room quarantine and 14 days of home quarantine. Because we had an individual house with all the necessary arrangement for quarantine us, we did not had to go for institutional quarantine. We started on 5th of July by car, and yes, we obtained e-pass from Kerala and Tamil Nadu for the journey. During the journey, in many checkposts, the copy or the number of our e-pass along with our personal details were asked. In many places, they even asked us to get down and checked our body temperature, and only then they let us proceed further. Like last time, this time also I have prepared and carried lunch to have on the way. This time I made the recipe from our channel itself, soya chunk biryani, along with some fried chicken and onion vinaigrette salad. We reached Walia checkpost, the Kerala border, between 9:30 pm. We had to report our pass details, the time of arrival, our destination and other basic information with them, and then later they'll issue us a slip. After that we can proceed to our destination. This is the counter where they were issuing this slip. You can see all the necessary precautions were taken by them to maintain social distancing. At night between 12:30 am we reached home, unloaded our bags and luggage from the car, and then here begins our home quarantine of 28 days. For the first 14 days, we were instructed by the health department not to step out of the house or even keep the doors open or wash and dry clothes outside, and not even allowed to throw anything outside the window. Officials from our area health department, ASHA worker and even police station used to call us every alternate day to take update on our health. Even though we were home quarantined, I was trying to take all the necessary steps to keep us healthy and immune. I thought I'll share with all of you what all I included in our routine. I make a herbal coffee every day, for which I'll first show you how to make the spice mix. First take 1.5 teaspoon of each fenugreek seeds, cumin seeds, fennel seeds, few cloves, grated cardamom, few sticks of cinnamon, black peppercorns, dry ginger if you have, else you can use ginger powder which is easily available. If you have carom seeds, that is ajwain, add that as well. Dry roast all of this for 1 minute and then grind it to fine powder. Now into 2 glasses of water, add a small piece of freshly crushed turmeric. If you don't have the fresh ones, add 1/4 to half teaspoon of organic turmeric powder. To this add 1 teaspoon of this spice mix for 1 glass of water. So here we have taken 2 glasses of water, so I'll be adding 2 teaspoons of the spice mix, and then I'll add 2 leaves of carom plant. The carom plant, or it is also known as ajwain plant. In Malayalam we say it is panikurkal, and also 10 to 12 leaves of tulsi, the Indian basil. Let all of this boil together. If you don't have all these spices or herbs at your home, then you can find a packet of ginger coffee, something like this, because these packets will also have the same ingredients that I've shown in the video. Now to my herbal coffee, I like to add extra crushed black pepper, and for the sweetness I'm adding some jaggery. We can also add palm sugar. Let all of this boil. So the coffee is ready. Serve them hot. Try to have them while they are still hot. The heat of the coffee and the spice should hit our throat. That is how we have to consume it. I changed our routine from having normal water to having hot water regularly. And also I started consuming a drink which is basically a glass of hot water with juice of half lemon. Other than these, try to eat healthy, drink minimum 1.5 liters of water every day, and try to have your meals while they are still warm, not cold. Puttu is a common breakfast in Kerala. It is basically made with rice flour, but today I am making with coconut and whole wheat flour. Because we have traveled and here it's raining continuously, so because of the change of the climate, I was taking extra care in our routine. We would take gargle at least twice a day with hot water, turmeric and salt. And also we would take steam every day at least once with just plain water, plain hot water. And because we were home quarantined and were indoors all the time and did not had a lot of physical activities in our routine, we would try to work out, if not every day, at least every alternate days. So this was a small video on how we are spending our home quarantine in Kerala. Hope you all liked it. I'll be coming up with a lot of new recipes from here. If you love Kerala food, then stay tuned. If you all like this video, then give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to press the bell icon next to the subscribe button and press all, so that you get notified whenever I come up with new videos. Also, don't forget to share me your feedback in the comments, and also let me know what kind of videos you like to see in my channel next. See you all soon with another exciting video. Till then, stay healthy and stay safe.